you're just trying to cause a scene, and I wasn't ready for all that.
So I argue, you but you take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack? Well, you know that you always do it right. Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vivian Uche, and if this is your first time on this channel, please make sure you subscribe and be a part of the family. Okay, today is Wednesday, time is 9 a.m. yes, 9 a.m. I'm about stepping up now. I want to go to the hospital to pick up my results. I'll tell you guys the reason why I'm going to the hospital and all that good stuff, but definitely not now and not anytime soon, until when I'm ready to give out that information. But for now, I just want to go to the hospital to pick up my results. I'm expecting a call from my doctor. I don't want to go there and waste my time. I just want to make sure that my doctor is there already. Okay, so I'm just waiting for his call. Our appointment is for 9:30. It's already 9, so he's gonna call me any moment from now. Okay, and the reason why I woke up early to meet this appointment because he's a punctual person. I don't want a situation whereby he's complaining. Yeah, you hear that? Hello, good morning, sir. Yeah. I'm on my way. Yes, sir. When I get there, I'll call you. But are you at the hospital already? Oh, okay. I'll be there in, let's say, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so I'll call you. All right. Thank you. All right. Yeah. You see? I need to start going to the hospital because from where I stay to the hospital is quite far, and I don't want to get there. I don't want him to get there before me because Dr. Anosike is quite strict. He has been our family doctor since when I was a child. So and if doctors, they barely have time. So I need to take advantage of the fact that he's a family doctor and just make things easier for me when I get there. So yeah, and he reminded me to bring some test results. Let me make sure. Yeah, everything is here. Yeah, everything is here. So yeah, so that's just that basically. I'll show you guys my full fit before I leave. I'm just wearing a simple basic brown top, like a tan top, and a skirt. I'll show you guys the full fit before I leave. Okay, I am in a hurry. I need to start going. The driver is already waiting for me downstairs, so I need to wrap it up. Okay, so let me just show you guys what I'm wearing before I get going.
Take a peek, with you million, no fuck wax. Take a peek, with your lips, gobbling on my car. Shit, don't care about no motherfucking watch. No, don't care about no high end that. No, bitch, you just a high standard. Bring your pajama, Gucci under, body member.
I just picked up something from Mercedes. It's a one-on-one. Black exterior, the one that I want. Red inside like that time of the month. Blood money, that's how I got this.
Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Please, I came to pick up my results.
Which is it? Let me roll on. Yeah, don't roll on. What's the name?
Vivian.
What? Call the full name.
Ezilo Vivian Uche.
Just seeing them. So they won't package it for you.
Take a peek, with you million, no fuck wax. Take a peek, with your lips, gobbling on my car. Shit, don't care about no motherfucking watch. No, don't care about no high end that. No.
I just got back home. I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. The time is currently 3:30 p.m. You guys, can you imagine? I left this house since morning and I'm just coming back. I'm so tired. Anyways, I was about to take a shower and then find something to eat, but I decided to just pick up my camera and give you guys a quick update on how today went. If I'm being honest, I actually got to the hospital pretty late. I think I got to the hospital past 10, and when I called my doctor, he said he was attending to some patients and he couldn't leave them now, but he called someone and assigned the person to me. I'm really grateful for that person because I would have followed due process in as much as that person came with me, right? There were still certain things that I needed to do. I still queued. I had to make payments here and there. Yeah, that person pulled some strings and I was able to get things done faster. If you notice, I wasn't able to bring you guys along. At some point I was filming, but there's this lady that came to me and then she said filming is not allowed here, and I totally understand her because it's a hospital, okay? Yes, even if I wasn't filming other people, I was filming myself. I told her it's okay, I understand the policy, I won't film. But tell me why she was trying to cause a scene and making it a big deal. She was calling her colleagues, like making it feel like she was just trying to cause a scene, and I wasn't ready for all that. Thank God for the person that was with me. He made things a little easy. I'm back home. In fact, I'm tired. I'm hungry. But I just thought to give you guys a little update on how my day went. I'll see you guys when I see you guys, okay? Good afternoon. The time is 2:30 p.m. I'm going to Austin 7070. It's a store where they sell digital gadgets. I'm going to get this vlogging monitor, okay? What it does is that it mirrors your screen. Basically, it just shows you your iPhone screen, right? It's good for those that create content, those that vlog. You know, when you're filming with your back camera, you can't see yourself, right? Unless you're using a mirror or something like that, but you can't see yourself when you're filming with your back camera. You can mirror the device to your phone and then you see yourself on the monitor. Isn't that amazing? I saw this online and I was like, oh cool, I'm gonna get this, because anytime I'm trying to film with my back camera, I barely see myself, and even if I'm trying to use a mirror, it's somewhat difficult. But with that monitor, it's called a vlogging, I think it's called a vlog screen or vlog screen monitor. I don't know, but I'll definitely, when I come back, I'll do an unboxing. I'll show you guys what it looks like, okay? And yeah, I was saying the reason why I would love to get this device is because it will save me a lot of stress. I mean, I don't have to worry about if I'm at the middle, if I'm not at the middle, if I'm zoomed in, or if, you know, it just saves me that stress. My ride is outside and my wait time is almost over. I'll see you guys when we get there, okay?
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch, do I know what time it is right now? Asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever says is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left and telling me what I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I've been, I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you. You said you never traded no. And I believed you when they told me don't. But either way, you're still invited and I can't even lie to you.
I just got back home and I thought to do a little unboxing for you guys, even though they sort of opened it up so that they can test if it's working properly. I'm still going to show you guys what I got, okay, because I got something else and I'm super excited for that. I'm super excited for that, okay? So here is, you know, the things I got. This is the vlog screen I was telling you guys about. Yeah, so when I got there, I told them that this is what I came for. Thank God they had it available, right? Now this is it. You can open it up, although they already opened it for me. I'm sure I filmed that part for you guys, right? This is how it comes. Now this is the vlog screen. This is a remote control, and this is a type C to type C. Oops. This is a type C to type C cord, right? Now, oops. When you open it up like this, right? There's a pink case inside where you can put the monitor cover case, right? And it also came with a magnet. Now, in case you want to, well, not magnets per se, but a magnetic suction, you can, I think you can, yeah, you can attach this to the back of your phone, right? Yeah, you can stick this to the back of your phone and then attach the screen monitor on it, okay? I don't know if I'm making sense, right? It also came with a manual. The manual is mostly written in Chinese, but there's a part where, you know, I think it came with English translation. It's mostly in Chinese. Oh yeah, perfect. It also came with English translation, so you can, you know, read it and it will direct you on how to go about it, right? This is the monitor. It's very, very cute, I won't lie. Let me put it on. Okay, apparently I think I have to connect it to my phone. I'm using my phone to vlog right now, so I can't do that, but I'll have to connect it to my phone and I'll show you guys what it does. Okay, I'll be back in a jiffy. I just connected it with my phone and this is what I'm talking about. You guys, can you see that? Can you see me? Yeah, this is what it does basically. It mirrors your screen and then you can see what you are doing on the screen. Okay, yeah, and I really love that for me because I'm looking at creating short form content for TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. I wouldn't want a situation whereby I have to rely on someone to, you know, to check if I'm at the middle or always moving. And nah, with this monitor, right, you'll be able to detect if you're at the middle and then just, yeah, start recording or start filming. And that is why I love this, because it's very, very convenient. Now, this is the highlight of today. Okay, when I left the house, I actually wanted to go get the vlog monitor, but you know, I'll say impulse buying, I decided to get something as well. I got me the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo and I love it. Thing is, let me give you guys a backstory, right? When I left the house today, I honestly, you know, just wanted to get the vlog screen, but I saw this and then I was like, oh, I really need this. I actually vlog through my phone. It's quite, you know, inconveniencing because when I'm vlogging, sometimes I get a call and I have to pick the call and then it just distracts me. When a call comes in your phone, your video obviously starts and your video obviously stops recording unless you put your phone on airplane mode when you want to film. I thought about it and I was like, let me just get it, spend that money. And I did. I'm so excited for this, right? Should I do an unboxing here or should I unbox this for TikTok? Last but not the least, I also got an SD card. Truth is, before now, I've been doing my research on the Osmo Pocket 3 and I learned that you need a micro SD card because it doesn't work with any SD card, right? I got the 512 GB. I wanted to get the 1 terabyte, but the price was so like it was really pricey. So I had to soft launch with the 512. I can't go below 512 because I didn't want to have issues with space. By God's grace, God willing, I will get the 1 terabyte eventually. Honestly, eventually, if I see any need to get the 1 terabyte, I'll just get it. For now, 512 is a good buy. It's really a good buy, and for the price point, it's very affordable. Okay, yeah, so that's just that. I'm really excited for today's buy. Yeah, I don't regret buying this camera, for real. I don't regret splurging that money on this camera. By the special grace of God, this is going to motivate me to post more videos for you guys, and this is going to, you know, motivate me to stay consistent with my, I genuinely want to be, I know I've said this I keep saying this, consistent. I want to be consistent. I'm dragging myself. Yes, I'm dragging myself. I intend to stay focused. I intend to stay consistent. Yeah, I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Okay, bye.